Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how you can generate a table in ChatGPT. So you watching my video right now. So I think you already use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or something else, but you cannot generate a table in artificial intelligence. You know that or everyone know that artificial intelligence or ChatGPT cannot generate any thumbnail or any picture or any diagram like something else. It's already up to date, but nowadays it cannot generate any diagrams or table like that, like you need. So in this video I am going to show you how you can generate a table from your any type of question or something different like math or any diagrams. So let's start. Here I am going to show you a Microsoft Word file that here show a short description and a table. You see that identify and calculate the Boolean expression that represent the function f of xyz and g of xyz, which are given in the table. So you need to solve this math from using table data. If you are going to take a help from ChatGPT, so at first you need to create a table, because if you cannot create a table in ChatGPT, so you cannot generate a proper answer or 100% right answer via ChatGPT. So at first you need to type here x, y, z. I type here three character, and then I enter here, and I again type 1 1 1. So if you need to type all data one by one like this row column, after you type this data, then you need to go back your ChatGPT account, and here you pasted your data that you type in Microsoft Word like raw column base. So here you need to type make it on a table, just simple sentence here you need to type. Then you need to enter here. I already entered here, so you need to wait for your created table via ChatGPT. So here already the given data in a table format. You see that already ChatGPT working on it. You need to wait for a moment. After table generate, you need to offer another command for you solving your math. We are going to step by step. So my table creation already done. Then I need to enter my question, just like a short description that you need to enter your ChatGPT account or command box. So you need to copy paste here. After copy paste, you need to add something before identify. Here you need to write now and add a comma before identify and calculate Boolean expression that represent the function. If you are not add now word before identify. ChatGPT cannot find your what you want or what you need, so you need to type now, then you need to enter here. After enter here, you need to wait for your expected answer. So here already ChatGPT working on it. So here this math going to be solved via ChatGPT. You need to wait for all text generate or all text completed via ChatGPT. So please wait a moment for your full answer. So here you need to you see that here number of 2 are not complete, so I need to press another command, or I need to provide another command. Please complete 2. If your internet connection slow or ChatGPT server mistakenly down, so you cannot get your answer fulfill, so you need to wait or add another command for your full answer. So I need to another command for asking are you finish all process. I need to ask ChatGPT, so enter here. After enter here, ChatGPT answer me, yes, I have completed the process identifying and calculating the Boolean expression that represent function based on the given truth table. So here is the truth table. This math already solved. Then what you do, if you cannot generate a proper command, or you need to know how you can operate it, so you cannot get any type of answer from here. You need to, at first you need to know how you can operate ChatGPT. I think you know that you already know it's artificial intelligence, so it cannot provide you any kind of information or any kind of data like a man or like a teacher. So you need to operate it, and you operated it, then they provide you something good information or good answer, and you need to justify your answer. Are you satisfied it, or it's wrong information, or something else. So if you get help from this video, please like on this video and subscribe on it. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. Thanks for watching.